Hello. Hi. Who are you? I'm Jasmine. How did you come here? I came here in my car. Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. Who did you come with? I came alone. How are you? I'm doing very well. What do you do? I'm a salesperson. What do you sell? I sell books. Why did you come here? I came to market with my friends. Where do your friends live? They live in Pakistan. Would you like to stay in Karachi? I'll stay here for a few days. Will you be my friends? Of course, we are friends now. What do you want to see here? I want to go to the beach. Will you come to the beach with me? Yes, I'll come with you. How old are you? I'm 30 years old. When did you arrive here? I arrived here yesterday. What do you do? I'm a student. Does she like coffee? Yes, she like coffee. Where does he work? He works at a bank. Do you speak Urdu? Yes, I can speak Urdu. Is it sunny today? Yes, it is sunny today. What time do they eat lunch? They eat lunch at 12 p.m. Are you a teacher? No, I'm not a teacher. Does he play the guitar? Yes, he plays the guitar. Where do you live? I live in Karachi. Is the kid sleeping? Yes, the kid is sleeping. What does she like to do in her free time? She likes to read books. Do you have a car? No, I don't have a car. Is your brother a doctor? No, my brother is not a doctor. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 5 a.m. Does your sister speak French? Yes, she speaks French. Where do you go on weekends? I go to the park on weekends. What do you wear to work? I wear a suit to work. Is the store open on Sundays? No, the store is closed on Sundays. Does he watch TV every day? Yes, he watches TV every day. Are your parents at home? No, they are not at home. What time does the bus arrive? The bus arrives at 6 p.m. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook. Is your friend from London? No, my friend is from Australia. What color is your car? My car is white. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play soccer. Where do you buy groceries? I buy groceries at supermarket. Does it rain often in the city? No, it doesn't rain often. What do you study at school? I study psychology. Is the dog friendly? Yes, the dog is friendly. Do you have any pets? No, I don't have any pets. Are you tired? Yes, I'm tired. Does your sister have a computer? Yes, she has a computer. Where does your best friend live? My best friend lives in New Delhi. Do you like to listen music? Yes, I like to listen music. What do you want to eat for dinner? I want to eat pizza for dinner. What's your favorite place to visit? My favorite place to visit is Mecca. Can you do a backflip? No, I can't do a backflip. Do you like to go swimming in the pool? Yes, I like to go swimming in the pool. Do you like to go camping in the forest? Yes, I like to go camping in the forest.